Are you looking for a primer that's not too sticky, that will keep your makeup lasting all day? It has a nice texture to it. Well, look no further than this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Promise you this grip, you will not be disappointed. Oh, welcome to my channel, and if this is your first time, my name is Nina. This is Nina Fabulous Fine, where I review items across various categories from Amazon and other, mostly Amazon for now. So if this is something you would be interested in, stick along as I share one of my amazing reviews. Today I'm in the beauty market and I'm diving into the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, a gel-based hydrating primer that smooths your skin and helps your makeup grip better so it doesn't bulge. It's great for all skin types and packed with moisturizing ingredients like hyaluronic acid. If you saw my recent beauty haul, you know I'm loving this primer, and today I want to give you a closer look. Stick around for my final thoughts and whether I think it's worth adding to your makeup bag. Right off the bat, I love the texture of this primer. It's light and refreshing, not sticky or heavy at all. When I apply it, I can actually feel it gripping my skin, which makes me confident my makeup will last longer. The squeeze tube packaging is super convenient, so I don't waste any product. I usually squeeze out a small amount and rub it all over my face, then wait just a few minutes before applying foundation. The primer gives my skin a noticeably smoother finish, which feels hydrated and plump thanks to ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which helps retain moisture. One of the best things, it works well on all skin types because it's non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores. Plus, it goes on clear with a nice translucent finish, which is perfect no matter your skin tone. After using this primer, my makeup looks fresh and flawless for hours, no sliding or patchiness. And that's my take on the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. If you've been searching for a lightweight, long-lasting base to keep your makeup in place, this one might be worth a try. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews, especially if you're a busy mom like me, just trying to keep it fabulous. I've dropped a link to this primer in the description below so you can check it out or grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.